Hi everyone, welcome to the home of Science and Maths. Uncle Pythagoras invites you. Today I am going to thank a very special individuals who made our work to be so successful. I have here a mini laptop. I got this mini laptop from Joy and Bali from your Big Sister Foundation. Thank you, Ms. Bali, for sponsoring Uncle Pythagoras with this big machine, with this smart machine. I'd like to thank you and your team for your donation. And we have also the textbooks. As you can see them lined up like this. These are all made possible by a gentleman called Mr. Bareng Mukwena from Mukwena Tuka Attorney Incorporation. Thank you very much, Mr. Bareng, for donating, not donating actually, for sponsoring me, Uncle Pythagoras, with this material. I'd love to say thank you and your team. Keep it up. You are very special. Bali and Karen, thank you very much. Right, today we are going to do grade 12. We are doing grade 12. Cyclic geometry application of the theorems. You remember the last time we were proving the theorem? So you must know that after proving the theorem, you must be able to apply that theorem. So now we have a question on the board. The question looks like this: PQRS is a cyclic quadrilateral and PR is a diameter of a circle. The line MRT is a tangent to the circle at R. S2, this angle, is given as 65 degrees. Let's just put it 65 here, 65 degrees, and R3 is 35 degrees. R3 here. This angle is 35 degrees. Now, the question comes and says, find the sizes of the following. R1 for 1 mark. When it says 1 mark, it tells you that it's straightforward, it's given. R4, it's 2 marks, and angle T for 3 marks. So we must find R1, R4 and T. So we start by saying statement and reason. Right. We go and find R1. Where is our R1? Here is R1. R1 is equals to P1 or S2. R1 is equals to S2. The reason is ten chord theorem. Ten chord theorem. If you can remember, the last time we proved, it was theorem number 9. Theorem number 9 says that the angle formed between the tangent and the chord is equal to the angle in the alternating segment. Check this. This is your tangent and this is your chord. So if you want to see which angle is equal to this one, you just go with your chord. You check your chord, then where the chord meet there, R2. This is the triangle where you find that S2 is 65 degrees, or this one. You see P1. So P1 is equals to S2 according to the butterfly theorem. But you cannot go for P1, we go for S2 because we were given S2 as 65 degrees. Therefore, R1 is equals to 65 degrees because S2 is 65 degrees. You have proven, you have found R1. The second question, we want you to find R4. Here, R4. This is R4. If you can check, this is a tangent and this is a diameter. The diameter is the diameter is always perpendicular to the chord, but we say that the radius, because all the way from the circumference it will come and pass at a certain point called a center. From the center coming to the tangent to the circumference, that line is called a radius. So we see that this is perpendicular to that one. This is 90 degrees. You can see this is 90 degrees. So you are going to say R3 and R4 is 90 degrees. Reason being the radius is perpendicular to the chord, the tangent MRT. Let's come and write it. R3, this is the end of, that was your 1 mark. The second question, this was question number 1. Now we're starting question number 2. R3 plus R4 is equals to 90 degrees. The reason is the radius perpendicular to the tangent. Now, they want us to calculate R4. Here is R4. R3 is given as 35 here. R3 is 35, so we are going to say 35 degrees plus R4 is equals to 90 degrees. Then R4 is equals to 90 degrees minus 35. So 90 degrees minus 35 is 55. There you go. R4 is calculated to be 35. Now the next question is calculate T. This is your 3 marks. You have taken your 3 marks. Then you go for the next question. Question number 3. Calculate. Oh, that was 2. That was 2. That was 2 marks. Then number 3 says calculate the size of T. T, if you can check, this is T. T is in triangle RST. So we are going to say this one and this one and this one is a straight line. This is a straight line. It forms a 180 degrees. But S1 and S2 is 90 degrees. You remember theorem 3? Theorem 3 says that the diameter suspend the 90 degrees angle. So the angle subtended by the diameter at the circumference is 90 degrees. So we come and use that. We say, because this is the diameter, so we have S1 and S2. S1 and S2 is equals to 90 degrees. Reason, angles at the circumference. Angle at the circumference. Right, we have S1 and S2. But S1 and S2 and S3, they are a straight line. S1 plus S2 plus S3. They form a 180 degrees. The reason for this is angle of a straight line. We say this S1 and 2, this S1 and 2, this one is 90 degrees. So we can find S3. S3 is equals to 180 degrees minus S1 plus S2. Where we see S1 and S2, we put a 90 degrees. So this was S3. S3 is equals to 180 degrees minus 90 degrees. So S3 is going to be 90 degrees. Done. Now, because we know that this is 90 degrees, we can calculate T. We say that this angle plus this angle plus this angle is equals to 180 degrees. So we are, let me just come this side. To continue, we start with the statement. And this is our result. Right. We said that this is 90 degrees. So we are going to consider triangle RST. We say S, which is S3 in this case, plus R, which is R4 in this case, plus T. Sum up to 180 degrees. Your reason being sum of triangle. S3 was calculated as 90. Here is our S3. We have calculated S3 is 90. And then R4 we have calculated as 55. So we say 90 plus 55 plus angle T give us 180 degrees. Right. I'm taking my calculator here to calculate. Right, here's my calculator ready. Now we have T. We must find angle T. Angle T must be 180 degrees minus 90 plus 55. Which is 180 degrees minus 90 plus 55. It's 145 degrees. Right, to subtract 180 from 45, you get 35. Therefore, angle T is equals to 35 degrees. So, please make sure that you don't panic. Use everything that you know to go and prove everything, solve everything that is required of you. Here, like I told you, the 10 chord theorem is the most used theorem in the whole system of geometry. That is not the only one, and the rest and others, but this one is the most prominent. So make sure that you practice, grab this, make sure that you go slowly. If you did not understand, you pause, you rewind and go back. Thank you very much. Uncle Pythagoras is signing out.